siap.
Hi, who's this?
Hi, welcome back with me again. Okay, I will explain for charcoal materials. Every time charcoal materials come in our factory, we have some quality control procedures. One of it is ensuring the charcoal have bright white color, the ash content when burned. We random check by picking up all in the truck that comes in. We random check, we burn, ensuring the ash content is white. And also the most important thing also is that the charcoal can burn completely, leaving nothing uncarbonized. So it will burn completely, and it's ensuring a optimal carbon process for a suitable binding. The best binder is with tapioca flour, but not only ordinary tapioca flour. We use food grade tapioca flour. What food grade does is it ensures the quality of the flour itself, so we don't need to worry about the quality. It may be cost a little bit expensive than regular tapioca flour, but food grade, when we produce into briquettes, it will bind the briquette perfectly. And also the most important thing about a food grade flour is they don't produce smell when the briquette burns. So smell in briquette is very sensitive. So we use food grade flour to avoid any smell coming on when burning the briquette. Yeah, so we can produce shape and size depending on customer needs. Even we make unique shapes that customer requests for us, and I think only a few factories make that shape, like a cube with hole and also hexagonal with some circle to the sides. I think that's really found in the briquettes. We also make that shape. Even if you request like star shape or love shape, yeah, we can make custom-made sizes. So hardness level in briquette is related closely to the binder itself, and also the process of the blending process where the binders must be activated completely. So how we test the hardness level of the briquette usually is when the briquette completely burned. We must test with drops. When the briquette is completely burned, it must sustain a minimum 3 times 1 meter drop. To avoid when our customer use for shisha, if they accidentally drop the briquette or something, it will not make any mess. Moisture level is also very important for the hardness of the briquette itself. Moisture content must be as low as possible. We must test the moisture level when the briquette is in the oven, like gradually. So we must test until the moisture content is reaching 2% when it comes out of the oven. So when it's ready to pack, the moisture content will be around 3 until 4%. So what low moisture content does is when we burn the briquette, the moisture that is coming out of the briquette is really minimal. Minimal moisture means minimal crack in the briquette, and crack itself is related to the hardness level of the briquette. When we don't receive any crack in the briquette must be stronger. So smoke in briquette is really unacceptable, and the smoke is really related to the quality control of the raw material. So we must have a strict raw material control with the smoke also. When all our raw material that we use do not produce smoke, when we shape it to briquette, it will be smokeless. Smoke is a sign of not fully carbonized raw material. If we crush a not fully carbonized raw material, of course, when we shape it to briquette, it will produce smoke, and it is really unacceptable. For our quality of charcoal, we have done many research and also innovation for the quality in our machinery and also for our manpower. So we are really confident in our quality of the charcoal. We can ensure that it's one of the best in quality of charcoal. So right now what we are also focusing is also on the packaging. Packaging must be clean, must be premium. So that is our focus right now in the future. We are also building a new warehouse completely full only for packaging. Also we have a new machine like for if customer need heat shrink plastic for a more premium packaging. We also have our new machinery for packaging. We are focusing on that right now. If you want to learn more about us, visit us at our website www.aracoco.id, and see you at Aracoco.